Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to publish Shopify store easy and quick tutorial. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in our Shopify store. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your online store over here beside here, and you will see our drop down options over here. You're simply going to select our preference over here, and after that you will be able to see all of this information. So what you're going to do first is you're going to enter a homepage title, of course. So depending on what type of title do you want to have, so let's say something like that. And after that, you're going to scroll over here below, look for the password protection over here, because this is the feature that limits who can access your online store. Only those with the password can actually access your store. If you want it to be public, you're going to have to disable this option, as you can see. But for me to be able to have access for anyone, you're going to have to pick an online store plan for you to be able to disable your password. So simply choose any of the available plan in Shopify. Then you will then be able to successfully publish your online store to the public. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.